I got rid of the other regulator because it was not US standard. It was overseas standard, and now that we have OPD valves on the propane tanks, it wasn't allowing any propane gas to go through. So I got a high pressure regulator. Show it to you in a bit, but first of all, it's time to turn it on pilot ignite. Birds out here, okay, we're good there. Gas flow. Okay, I didn't see a flame. Okay, now I don't hear any hiss, so it means the valve is actually needs to be adjusted to give us some pressure. We got pressure. Okay, I didn't see a flame, so I'm not going to keep the pressure going unless I see a flame. I smell the gas. Smell it now. And that should be good right there. Okay. And turning up the pressure a little more. Okay, we got flame. We got pilot. Now let's see if we can increase the burner. And I'm going to increase the pressure from the regulator to get more burner action. Okay, I can hear the burner action. Okay. So, it looks like it works.